Hey, my name is Jared. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and I was given these lights to review, so I thought there was no better way to do it than to actually go to a client's home. So I really like these lights a lot. They work really well. They have a motion sensor on there, so that way if someone walks by it, it will turn on. It shows the percentage of battery life on it. It goes from 25 to 50, 75 to 100%. Very easy to read and know when it's fully charged. To put it on the wall, it does have some adhesive on the back, so you just pull it right off and stick it right onto the wall. I would recommend cleaning off the wall first to make sure that it adheres properly. You can either put this up high or down low. We put this in the hallway so that way the client would be able to see any tripping hazards or any fall hazards that are in the hall. With this placement here, it actually will also provide light to the closet, which he didn't have any light for before. You can also put this inside any other room of the house as well. You could put it in the kitchen or inside the bathroom or anywhere where you really need some extra illumination. I know some other clients have actually put this underneath the hood of their underneath the hood fan in their kitchen. So I was given this product to review. I really enjoy this a lot. It definitely will do a great job of keeping clients safe and reducing fall risk. It's very easy to charge, and it comes with a USB-C, and you just plug this right into your power source and it will charge effortlessly. So I definitely would recommend this product. It's another way to provide peace of mind and knowing that your loved one is safe at home and reducing their risk of falling.